In this video, we will show the best dumbbells in India 2020. At number 1, Cockatoo rubber-coated professional Hexa dumbbell set. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 2, RUBX rubber-coated professional exercise Hexa dumbbells. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 3, Aurion Set of 2 PVC Dumbbells. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 4, Aurion Chrome Dumbbell with soft padded cushion handles. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 5, Core DM, Hexa Combo 16 Dumbbells Kits. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 6, Protoner 10 kg adjustable dumbbells. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 7, Amazon Basics Neoprene Dumbbells. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. At number 8, Aurion Fitness PVC Dumbbell. Features. Pros and cons. Our review. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update.